Crystal Cave Exploration. Explore a cave of crystals, each one providing clarity and concentration. Welcome to this guided meditation, where we will embark on a journey to explore the mysterious and enlightening Crystal Cave. Let's delve into this sacred space to gain clarity and concentration. Please find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and gently focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Feel your body begin to relax as you breathe rhythmically and deeply. Allow the external world to fade away as your inner world comes to life. Visualize yourself standing at the entrance of a magnificent crystal cave, a gateway to enlightenment and clarity. The air around you is filled with a gentle hum, the energy of countless crystals pulsating, resonating. Step forward, feel the cool, comforting embrace of the cave around you, the air rich with ancient wisdom. The crystals around you shimmer in myriad colors, each one radiating a unique frequency, a unique energy. Walk deeper into the cave, your path illuminated by the radiant glow of the crystals. As you wander, notice the crystal's shapes, colors, and the distinctive energy each one emits. Feel this energy interacting with your being, resonating within you. Approach a crystal that draws you in, its energy calling out to you. It is here to offer you clarity and enhance your concentration. Place your hand on the crystal, Feel its cool, smooth surface, and allow its energy to flow into you. As the crystal shares its energy with you, visualize it mingling with your own energy, illuminating your thoughts, clearing any fog, and sharpening your focus. Allow this energy to flow through every part of your being, concentrating on areas where you seek clarity the most. Feel the connection with the crystal growing stronger, the exchange of energy more profound. All your thoughts are becoming crystalline, sharp, and clear, and your concentration is intensifying. In this state of heightened clarity, let your thoughts wander to your aspirations, your goals, your challenges. See them clearly, understand them deeply. Notice how solutions and paths unfold before you, how your refined concentration enables you to perceive everything in its truest form. Absorb this clarity, allow this concentrated energy to empower your thoughts and your actions, making you more present, more aware. Stay in this moment, explore your thoughts and the crystal's energy as long as you need. Now, gently detach from the crystal, feeling grateful for the clarity and concentration it has provided. Start walking back towards the entrance of the cave, bringing with you the enriched energy, the crystal clear thoughts. As you step out of the cave and into the light, slowly become aware of your surroundings, the space you are in. Take a deep breath, bringing yourself back to the present moment, feeling more clear-headed and focused than before. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes, and remember, the clarity and concentration you've acquired in the crystal cave are yours to keep, to use whenever you need to see things more clearly. Remember, the crystal cave is always within you, accessible whenever you need clarity and focus. Hold on to the energy and wisdom you've gained, and let it guide you through your journey.